Today with the 2020 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, body color door handles, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.